AMD returned to the processor game last year, giving Intel a formidable competition by introducing the new Ryzen CPUS for laptops, games and desktop computers. The chipmaker now wants to do the same in the commercial space with a new set of Ryzen processors designed for high-performance laptops that are used in corporate environments. The alignment of Ryzen Pro opens today, May 14, with some support. Dell, HP and Lenovo simultaneously announced new mobile offerings that work with the latest AMD chips. AMD has presented its Ryzen Pro line that includes Radeon Vega graphics. 4 of the new APU accelerated processing units, that is what AMD calls its CPUs, and integrated GPUs are designed for desktop computers, while 3 more will power laptops. These Ryzen Pro processors are designed for machines in what AMD describes as the commercial market, corporate, government and business users who need high-performance computing power in laptops and desktops that can perform a double function both at work and in the workplace home.